Tyre Select Total Parts Pro Turbo 2019 Isuzu MUX stock number 7200. It's ran from the 2nd 2017 and the 4th 2021. Has a 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, back plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light has a small sun crack, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, small sun crack, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.